Hello everyone, my name is Ricky Milliner from the Connecticut Department of Transportation. I will be presenting to you CONDOT's Performance-Based Planning and Programming Initiative. We will first look at our journey on performance-based planning and programming. I wanted to show you our journey from the pilot to version 1 of PBPP. In 2021, CONDOT had a mandate from the state legislature to show a demonstrated rankings of projects. This was our pilot. The selected projects were from the obligation plan and initiated. Shifting gears to version 1 of PBPP, the scope will expand to include projects ranging from small to large plus benefits. The projects were ideas and needs from MPOs and COGs throughout the state. We addressed further pain points such as getting the data ready and coordinating within the organization. We also expand to by competitive impacts in addition to incorporate greenhouse gas and economic impacts as well. Our lesson learned was that it is important for CONDOT to be consistent in the long range from the master plan to projects. Now, I want to turn your attention on getting to version 1 of the PBP. I wanted to share a slide as important for PBPP. This is a broader look at PBP, developing our long-range plan, taking into account CONDOT's priorities and strategies. Narrowing the focus, version 1 of our PBP applies to the yellow dots on the slide. I want to show you where this applies. The performance-based plan and programming's decision criteria is different as we look at cost benefits, which is our focus. We can identify all benefits of building new. State of good repair and managed projects are not included because cost benefit analysis is not appropriate technique as there's that different criteria. The green dot, asset management, is a well-established process with a prioritization scheme. The PBP is not touching the asset management / existing system in place. And also, the decision criteria is different as this focuses on lifestyle cost. That assets are already built, and the focus is optimizing the life. So we're focusing on the yellow aspect on the slide for PBPP. Next, I want to show you where PBPP fits in the process. Version 1 fits in the yellow bucket. At this stage, projects can get fuzzy as some projects has more information than others. This can result in a pain point during the screening process, as more data will be needed potentially on a project. Projects in the blue bucket are given to us. PBPP is in the early stage of the process. Essentially, the performance-based plan program is establishing a link on what we should and want to do. Decisions are leveraged by data to form the full project development cycle. Next, I want to show our 8 criteria to weigh projects on. Each criteria has a methodology to follow. We have enhanced safety, environmental stewardship, economic growth, accessibility and equity, bridge preservation, pavement preservation, congestion relief, and active transportation. Showing the score calculation, there's a way to weigh impacts. The data-informed score shows how much benefit we get from a project. This finds one numerical score. It is calculated by system needs and importance score, multiplied by the expected project impact score. Analyzing the accessibility and equity criteria method, the PBPP utilized data from the Justice for It initiative. The dataset focuses on disadvantaged areas in categories such as climate change, affordable and sustainable housing, health, and other aspects. Our methodology is if the census tract is above a threshold for one or more environmental / climate indicators, and if the area is above or at the 65th percentile for low income, in addition to 80% or more individuals not enrolled in higher education if they are 15 or older. CONDOT also utilized origin, destination, and employment statistics through the census. This dataset analyzes statistics of job information such as number of jobs, earnings, sectors, and it relates to the home census block as part of the equity and accessibility example. Wrapping up the presentation, projects are put through a scoring system with weighted criteria, which should not move often. Development of them should be in collaboration within DLTs. The results, a candidate list, is displayed from highest rank to lowest in order. The list will apply financial constraints to give transparency to external stakeholders. If the first project is not feasible, then we go to the second, third, and fourth best, and so on. This cleans up the process and aligns with performance indicators, which is the purpose of this tool. Thank you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me by email or phone.